we've slowed it down, and I want to explain how we twist the hair. If you twisted the dread, the retwist to the right, you're going to twist both pieces to the right. Twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist. So, hey guys, how y'all doing today? So we turned this video into a two-part video. I am finishing up part one, which is the actual retwist. As you can see, I'm at the top of his head, about to do the last one. And then we decided to make the next section where I actually style the hair, part two video. So if you haven't seen this full video, make sure you check out part one and then make sure you come back for part two. Alright, so now we are on part two of the video. As y'all can see, I am removing the clips from his hair, and he has not been under the dryer. So I'm just kind of allowing them to stay in place. Once they set with the clips on them, they're not completely dry, but they're not going to unravel. And then I could move the hair and style it the way that I like. And if I need to, I can retwist it a little bit, but it usually doesn't come undone or anything like that. So I'm just going to finish removing these clips, and then we will get to the styling of the hair. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I have removed all of the clips from his hair, and now I am about to get it prepared for me to do his style. I normally start the style at the bottom of his hair, and I actually do it in an order. So I take two at the bottom and I twist them together. Or if the hair is very thin, I will take four of them and take two in each hand and twist them together to make a thicker twist. But in this video, I only used two. So whenever I'm doing two-strand twist as a style, I like to work around the perimeter of the hairline, which I start in the back first, and then I usually work my way up to the sides. But I've been doing it so long that I can just work from the back of the hair to the front of the hair. If you do this and you want to create a style, you can do the perimeter of the hairline, and then the next row that you do, you would do it in a Bricklay manner. So you would basically find the space above the dread and a little to the right or a little to the left, and you would do another two-strand twist. Just think Bricklay when you do it. All right, so here is where I am twisting the dreads across one another, but I'm not just twisting them regular straight down. I actually twist my fingers. I twist my fingers both in the same direction before crossing the dread across the other one, which actually locks it in place. So if I was to let this dread go, the twist would still be there even though I haven't put a rubber band on it. So I hope you all can see that I am twisting and then I am putting the dread across the other one, placing the dread across the other one. So you might be able to see it a little bit better in another view of this video. Here I'm about to put the rubber band on there, and then I'm gonna do another one for you all, and hopefully you all can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, some people don't know why their two-strand twists don't look good. And I really want you all to understand that before you twist it, you have to twist your fingers in the same direction, both at the same time before you cross one dread across the other so that it can lock in place. It actually took me a while before I understood the concept. And when you twist them down, you really want to make sure that you keep that uniform rope look so that it can look really nice. So here I go. I grabbed two more, and if you all can notice, my twist is a little bit to the left of the one that was below it. All right, here we go. So I'm twisting first, and then I'm crossing the dread around itself or across itself. And just keep twisting your fingers first. Now I'm going to add a rubber band here to secure it. So if the dreads are two different lengths, wherever the last one like tapers off is where I will add the rubber band. And I like to make my rubber band go down the dread a little bit to kind of stretch it out, and it just gives it like this funky extra twist to the hair and a little extra flavor. All right, so you see I moved over to the left. I'm working my way around the perimeter, and just because I'm used to doing this all the time and I've been doing it for a long time, I'm not really securing the loose hair out of the way because I'm used to working. But if you all can see, I'm twisting my fingers. You can kind of see me rolling my fingers on both hands before I actually twist one dread around the other. And you see that uniform look that it has? I'm about to secure it with a rubber band because one dread is a little shorter than the other one. And then I like to work the rubber band down just a little bit. And it just looks so nice. I'm going to continue to show you, and I hope you all get the concept so that your two-strand twist will look good and also will last, because some people do two-strand twist and they're still really loose. If you learn this technique, and you can kind of see it here where I'm twisting the dreads before I lay the other dread across the other dread, and that's going to lock it in place. And the way to check to see if you're doing it correctly is to, when you get done, let the dread go. And if the twist stays in place, then you know that you have locked it in place. All right, we're going to continue to move on up the head. All right, so I slowed this video down because I really want you all to get the concept of what I'm saying, because I think some people just won't understand unless they can see it. So here we've slowed it down, and I want to explain how we twist the hair. If you twisted the dread, the retwist to the right, you're going to twist both pieces to the right. See, to the right. And then the one on the right is going to come over the left so that you can continue to twist to the right and lock it in place. Twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist. So if y'all can see what I'm doing right here, I'm twisting the hair individually, and then I'm laying the other dread across itself. When I say turn, that means to cross the dreads. So twist, turn, twist, turn. And that way it's locking it in place. I can literally let this go and the dread will stay like this. The two-strand twist will stay like this. So I hope you understand. There I go again. Twist. There I go. And then I'm twisting the dread after I twist each individual piece. And that's why it's keeping this uniform look. So if you twist the hair to the right for the retwist, you're going to put the dread that's on the right over the left before you start the twist. And if you do the retwist to the left, you're going to do the opposite. You're going to take the dread that's on the left and put it on the top before you do the two-strand twist. That way it'll be nice and tight at the base and it won't be loose. So I hope you all understand that you have to twist the hair, both pieces, in the same direction that you do the retwist. And then the one on the right, if you twist it to the right, will be the one that goes on top to secure it and make sure that it's tight at the base. All right, I'm doing it again. As y'all can see, I am twisting the hair to make sure it's tight at the base, both of them. And then the right goes over top of the left. And then I'm going to twist each individual piece. And then I'm going to put one dread over the other. Twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. And that is going to help you to lock that dread in place. And if the dread is kind of puffed out, just make sure you twist it tight, each individual piece, so that it can keep this uniform look. And, the dread won't buckle or anything like that. So just try to twist both pieces in the same direction as you did your retwist before you actually do the 2-strand twist, and your 2-strand twist will look better and they will hold and be very tight and uniform.
Yeah, man, it's your boy Luis, 25 Locs. Yeah, I'm getting my hair done by my wife, man. Y'all let me know how I look. I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel like I'm never gonna change this hairstyle, cause like, I love this so much, man. It's not even so tight. I can sleep good, you feel me? Sometimes I don't even feel like I have my hair twisting in style, cause like, this was my first time getting a 2-strand twist. I don't know if I said it right. You know what I got going on for real. But anyway, guys, man, if you like this, go ahead. Follow me on my IG, Luis25Locs. I love you guys. Thank you for the support, for the love. Man, stay tuned because I got some videos on the ways, guys. I made a video about showing you how to make dreadlocks on straight hair or whatever it is you want to call it, man. So I'm gonna be dropping that video as soon as possible so you can see that if you have straight hair and you wanna have locks, it's not impossible. Most people like they don't have locks because they don't know how to do it, and that video is gonna show you guys how you should go ahead and get it done. So stay tuned. This is Luis 25 Locs. Now I'm gonna leave you with my wife. She gonna keep telling y'all how she do the 2-strand twist. And yeah, this is my first time getting this style. I feel like I'm gonna stick with it. And let's get it, man. See you on my social media. Facebook, Luis25Locs, on YouTube, and on IG. Let's get it, man.
Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna put this rubber band on here and I'm gonna finish doing the 2-strand twist on my husband's hair. Alright, so he was hungry, so he's eating him some cornbread and some chili. So sorry about that, but yeah, he was hungry. So here's the finished look after we've done the style. If you can see, there is a technique going on between the 2-strand twist. I was telling you that it's kind of like Bricklay, and it kind of creates this funky, unique look and, you know, more detail oriented. I hope you guys like this. If you notice, all of the twists are uniform. It looks real sleek and neat. My husband's absolutely in love with this style. He doesn't let anybody else do his hair, and he always drags me into being a part of his tutorial. So here you go, guys. This is the finished look. Please like, share, comment, and make sure to comment down below what you think about the finished style, and if there's anything else that you all would like to know about the 2 strands or the retwist or anything about dreads or cutting hair.